I am an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in cancer surgery. I am currently the director of musculoskeletal oncology within the cancer center at Rush. I utilize bone transplants. Utilize a lot of metallic devices. What's evolved is our devices that are 3D printed to customize the operation to fit the patient perfectly. These are complicated conditions, and it's to the patient's advantage to go to a center where there's experience. We have the largest program in the region, therefore we have a lot of experience. But moreover, we have a multidisciplinary approach. That's the advantage to the patient. It's not just my opinion. It's the opinion of nearly 20 physicians, nurses, therapists, and others. There's 3 A's to, I think, an effective physician, and I follow these 3 A's. Ability is very important. Affability, the personality of the physician, and availability. I am always available. I give out my cell phone. People, when they have issues or problems, will call me directly. I'm readily available. And I think that's a huge advantage to patients.